In ancient Mesopotamia, the gods decided to destroy humanity with a flood, not for sin, but for being too loud. All the gods swore an oath of silence, but one, Enki, couldn't bear to see the humans die, so he found a loophole. He didn't warn anyone directly. Instead, he whispered to the wall of a reed hut, and the man inside, Atrahasis, heard him. He built a boat. He survived. Humanity lived on not because the gods changed their minds, but because one god quietly defied them. Enki, the god of wisdom, broke the silence to save the world.
Check out more myths and sagas on my channel.
See you there.